Hey everyone, so welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying your afternoon so far, or evening, whatever it is for you guys. My name is Steph, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing here, and today's unboxing is going to be our latest Ipsy bag. This is the Ipsy Plus. Sorry, it's been a little bit. It's our Ipsy Plus, and this is actually for the month of September. And the reason that I kind of stopped and stuttered was because it's been a little bit of time since I've actually done an Ipsy unboxing on my channel. I did go ahead and take a break from Ipsy because I was just a little bit unhappy with them. Number one, I think the biggest reason, which we've talked about here in the comments, and I've kind of conversed with some of you guys, was just that I was so overwhelmed by all the products that I truly wasn't using all of them, and I felt like I was just wasting my money. Number two, I wasn't very excited about my unboxings, and I felt like that kept becoming like a common theme in my unboxings. So I decided to just kind of cut ties with a couple of them. I just want to take a moment and just say that if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys check out. But we're gonna go ahead and get diving into this bag, and let's go ahead and see what's in it. I hope this month it's gonna be good. All right, so here is the little baggie. It's like a little corduroy, is that what they call that? Yeah, it feels kind of nice. And then it's got the little drawstring. That's how you say it. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. I want to find the card first. Let's see, it says September 2020, good vibes. It says this month radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. Yeah. Hashtag Ipsy good vibes. Okay. Can you guys see how like bad my nose is? My allergies are really bad today because we've been outside. My son just got done with his baseball game. So we just got inside, and anytime right now, it's been so bad. But you know, I shouldn't complain because anybody that's like dealing with like the fires and all the smog and everything like that, I feel for you guys. Please stay safe. Let's go ahead and get diving into this. The first thing I see is this box. This box is like popping straight out, so we're gonna pull it out. This is the Golden Fadden MD Brightening Elixir Protect, Repair, Brightening Serum. This actually has ferulic acid, vitamin C, vitamin B, and E. It's supposed to boost hydration and increase radiance, reduce the appearance of discoloration and redness, and minimize the appearance of fine lines. So here is what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, the first dermatologist developed a natural skincare brand. Next thing I have in here is another box. So I picked this one out, I want to say. This is by Illamasqua. There it is, Illamasqua. And this is their Hydrovale Rehydrating Gel. See, oh, how cool. Look, comes like a little baby spoon. I don't know why I find this so cute. It's like literally like the tiniest little baby spoon. I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here, this little knob right here, it's like an attachment for it. So you literally push it in and it holds it. I don't know why I find that so cool. Probably because I always lose the ones that come with something. But then how do you pull it up? Oh, it's interesting. Look at that. It's like a jelly. That is so cool. What did I get though? Is this primer? Oh, clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. This lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and the perfect base for long wear foundation. Yes, I believe this is a primer. I'm gonna use it as a primer, but I like that. So I should probably put the cap on. I'm all for anything that like locks in moisture right now, especially with my primer, because I cannot seem to get my skin hydrated enough. And I feel like it's especially only in the area where my mask is. Are you guys having that issue with you guys that wear masks all day? Like, I've changed my skincare up quite a bit just to increase hydration. And then like all my primers, I'm using like hydrating primers, but I cannot keep my skin hydrated. But again, only in the mask area. It's the craziest thing. I get it, but I don't know. So next up I have is by Ciate. This is another one I picked out, right? Because I think you could pick out like, was it 2 or 3? I don't remember. But this is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara. So I'm actually running low on a couple of my favorite mascaras. So I was like, you know what? We'll try out a mascara. And this is what it looks like. Open it up. Ooh. It's got a thin wand. So this is by Context. This is the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Yeah, there's really not a whole lot of information. It's just got 0.5 ounces in it. Last item I have here is a lip gloss. This beautiful shimmery gloss. This is in the shade Truffle, and this is by Ofra Cosmetics. It smells like jelly beans. It smells good. All right, there you have it. Has a little bit of a tint to it. All right, so I think that's all. We got these 3 and then these 2 products. So 2 makeup products. Yeah, 3 makeup items, 3 makeup products and 2 skincare products. So, I mean, I ended up picking out the mascara, and I want to say I ended up picking up the Illamasqua product because I remember myself saying, oh, I really want to try more from that brand. The thing was that when I was on the site, when I was on the site to pick out my choice and like what I wanted to choose, there was really nothing that like caught my eye. I think I've gotten to the point where we've received stuff from these boxes, like really great stuff, right? And everything else is just mediocre in that sense. So, I mean, I don't know. I'll probably try it again next month and see how I feel about it. Kind of give them like a month or 2 to kind of redeem themselves and see if it works. But yeah, I'm not like super impressed with this month's bag, aside from the fact that I needed a mascara and that primer sounds pretty cool, but I'm not like go out and get the bag, like you guys need to get the bag now kind of a thing. Let me know down below what you guys got in your Ipsy bag, or if you guys have canceled or have put everything on pause. Just let me know down below what your thoughts are on this month's bag. Thank you all for sticking around. If you still haven't hit that subscribe button, be a part of this family. Come hang out with us for a while. Also, make sure to hit those notification bells if you guys haven't. That way you guys are notified every time I throw up a video. And yeah. Also, if you guys didn't know, I just posted a new giveaway. Anybody can enter. I'll go ahead and link it right here. And also my unboxing for my Boxy Luxe from BoxyCharm will also be right down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. I apologize for messing around with my hair as much as I did, but thank you guys again for hanging out with me for a while, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon, and this girl is going to bed.